Hi everyone, I'm in Anaheim right now. We have this beautiful model home for sale, 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage attached with a den on the first floor, beautifully upgraded. It comes with a lot of upgrades. You still have a chance to buy the furniture, and even if you don't buy the furniture, everything on the ceiling, like the light fixture, all the wall treatments, the TV, everything else stays. A lot of value. Contact me if you're interested. You get a lot for the money you pay. Look at the home.